Victory. Shoot. I have lit the poo on fire. Phew. That one doesn't line up as nice, but it's done. And this is what we end up with. It's hard to see in the one clip, but the elbow on the inside of the tank, the pipe is rotted for it to head back to the front. So now everything's external, controlled with those two valves, and the clip would be inside the tank is actually the front tank, disconnecting the original agitate pipe, which is on the other side of this wall, and making an elbow so we can blast at the center hose if it ever plugs with sand, which it does a lot. So we'll see how this design works. Hopefully we don't have to split and unplug the tanks as often. How long do you think that's going to last? Welcome back, guys. It's the following night, a little after 10. It's got back down to -4 degrees. So we're going to see if we can get fired back up with the Dragos here. My brother's bringing a tank out. We'll get them running in a little bit, but for now we're going to fire up the crawler, let it warm up. We're going to go get some coffee, because no night shift can ever start without coffee. It's pretty simple, really. Pull the remote. And just let that idle for a little bit and get warmed up. We'll be back in a minute.
Hi there.
Hey, can I get an extra large 2 milk, 1 sugar, please?
Anything else for you?
That's everything.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Coffee's acquired. We'll warm up the pumper trailer while we wait for my brother to get here. I have a feeling she's not going to like starting this morning. By remote. So we're hooked up to the hose now. Get connected to the trailer. This controls the engine on the pumper trailer that sends manure out to me, so I can turn the manure on and off and rev the other big engine up and down to give us flow. Pulling hose in the dark can definitely be nerve-wracking. Kind of just go with your gut and use all the tools you can and kind of know where you're at and imagine where the hose is and make sure you don't try and pull 2,000 feet of hose 2100. Just an update, it's almost 5 a.m. Just about done with the Dragos portion. We got the tanks rolling. We'll be getting it wrapped up before 8, 9 o'clock when the sun comes out aggressive this morning, but we'll see. They don't have too much to do, only 40 acres or so at 3,000, so he's been going for a little bit now. We'll get her done. Almost bedtime.